Hi, I'm Leo, and in this video we'll be going over variables and data types. So basically, a variable is like a container with a unique name that can hold different things. So here, the container is the variable with a name, and the things inside are the data types. Alright, but in reality, a variable is actually a named memory location that stores the value of a specific data type. So that's what it is in reality. Alright, so we have different data types. We have the integer, float, double, character, and string. Now your integer, they're just whole numbers, and your float and double are all decimals, just that they have different sizes. And then your character and string, your character could be a single letter. In that case, we use a %C, and a text or a couple of texts, which is called a string, and in that case we use %S. All right, so I'll jump to a code block and then we'll play with these variables. So I have a couple of strings or sentences here. My name is Lewy. I'm 47 years old. I graduated with a CGPA of 1.85. Not true, but let's put some variable here. So I want to change the name. That is a character, so I'll use char. Let the name of this variable be a, then I'll put my square bracket, put my equal sign, and what name do I want to use now? Let's say John. And I want to also change the age 47, that's an integer, so I'm going to use int. So int, what do I want to name this variable? Let's call it b, and my equal sign, let's say 25. Remember to close with a semicolon. All right, I also want to change the CGPA, and that's a decimal, so I'm going to use a float, and let's call it C. It's equal to, let's say 2.5, and I'll come back to my text. Now instead of Lewy, I'm going to remove this Lewy, and because this is a string, I'm going to use %S, and I'll go to the end of the line, put a comma, and I'm going to put the name, which is a. Now instead of having 47, I'm going to remove that. Now that's an integer, so it's going to be %D, and I'll go to the end again, put a comma, and put the name, which is a B. Now the last one here, I want to change the CGPA. I'll remove it, and since it's a float, it's going to be %F. That's %F. I'll put a, go to the end, put a comma, and the name, which is C. So when we build and run, you're going to see I think there's an error somewhere. My name is okay, my float, I didn't close, so please always remember to close. So let's build and run. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. Okay, so you can see the name has changed. You can see here it says my name is John, I am 25 years old, and I graduated with a CGPA of 2.5. So that's basically how you play with these variables. You pick the data type, you pick a name, a unique name, and then the value of that variable. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.